Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to join Excel cells. You can combine information from multiple cells into one using various methods. We will explore how to use the concatenate function, which is excellent for combining many text strings. Additionally, we will cover the simpler ampersand operator, perfect for quick joins. Finally, we will distinguish between joining content and visually merging cells. The concatenate function is a robust tool for combining text. You simply list the cells or text you want to join, separated by commas, within the function's parentheses. For example, to add a space between two words, you would include as an argument. This method allows for precise control over how your data is combined, handling up to 255 individual pieces. For a quicker way to join cells, the ampersand operator is incredibly useful. You just type an equal sign, then your first cell, an ampersand, and then your next cell. To insert a space, you would use and between your cell references. This method is very intuitive and efficient, especially when you are combining just a few pieces of text or numbers. It is important to understand that merging cells is different from joining their content. When you merge cells, you are creating one larger cell visually, but only the data from the top left cell remains. The Merge and Center button on the Home tab performs this action. This is useful for formatting headers across multiple columns, but it does not combine the text itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.